Tara guys, kwentuhan tayo. Habang papasok sa work, 11 years na ako living here in Abu Dhabi. And honestly, thank you so much UAE. Life here is not easy, but every single year, worth it lahat. Way back 2015, first time ko nakatapak sa bansang ito. I was so amazed talaga. Yung transportation, yung infrastructure, yung kaayusan ng lahat, grabe. Talagang mapapamangha ka. So disciplined, so organized. Mapapasana all ka na lang. I hope the same for the Philippines someday. But well, hindi ganon. And that's the reality na kailangan natin tanggapin. Ako rin isa sa mga nagdi-dream na maka-work outside the Philippines. Of course, marami akong negative thoughts nun. What if hindi ako makahanap ng work? What if ma-expire ng visa ko? Na wala pa akong job? Grabe yung kaba, yung takot, yung uncertainty na nararamdaman mo noon. Hindi mo malilimutan yun. That's part of my growth kung ano ako ngayon. Pero kung babalikan mo lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, you will just find yourself saying thank you. Lalo na sa mga relatives ko na nag-guide sa akin noon. Nakasama ko sila from the very beginning and sobrang laki ng part nila sa buhay na mayroon ako ngayon bilang isang OFW. Mahirap, totoo. It's so hard. But if you have a dream, you will always find a way to fight for it. Pag may pangarap ka, talagang pagsusumikapan mo. Kaya fight, fight, fight.